Have you always wanted to bid farewell to those extra pounds but could never find an effective workout routine? Fear not, we got you covered now. How about a 10-minute workout routine that tones your body in only 14 days? And that too without hitting the gym for hours? A routine you can easily follow anywhere, anytime? Sounds great, right? So let's get started. Change into your workout outfit and let's glow up together. Before we get to it, I'd like to welcome you to the power of simplicity. Subscribe to our channel for the best and quickest tips, tricks, and hacks that will improve your life's quality. Like and subscribe if you want to see more beneficial videos. This is a 4-part workout routine that targets a number of body muscles. So, what are you waiting for? Lay that workout mat down, let's sweat those abs out. Exercise 1, elbow planks. Assume the plank position and support your weight with the help of your elbows. Let's do this for 10 seconds. Slowly, we'll build the tempo to take it to the next level in the future. But for now, let's take it slow. Keep your back in a straight line or you'll end up straining your back muscles. Ready, set, go. Three, 2, 1, and done. Kudos. Now breathe in and out. Exercise 2, leg up plank. Let's work a little harder now, okay? Assume the same plank position, but now keep the palms of your hands on the mat for 10 seconds. Then slowly begin to lift your left leg up. Inhale and exhale like you normally do. Keep your legs and back straight. Let's do this. Three, 2, 1. Okay, now breathe in and out. Repeat this with your right leg for 10 more seconds. You can do this. Almost there. Done. Great job. Exercise 3, side plank. This is a little bit challenging. Support your weight with only your left elbow while keeping your right hand on your waist and both of your legs crossed. Do this for 10 seconds. Ready? Go. Three, 2, 1. Repeat this with your right leg now. Start. Yes, you did it. Feel exhausted? That's normal. Don't be stressed. Take a 1-second break. And on to the next exercise. Exercise 4, climbing plank. Chill, we're not actually climbing. Assume the position with your elbow plank and slowly shift from that to the original plank pose. First, begin with your right arm and slowly shift to your left arm, okay? Do this for 15 seconds. Take your time, but make sure you're doing it properly. Up for it? Good. Let's begin. Three, 2, 1. Bravo. Let's work those legs and butt muscles now. Exercise 5, squats. So, I know you have a love-hate relationship with the squats, but they're the key to a toned body. So groan later, because no matter you like it or not, we're gonna work it for that dream body. Wear a pair of comfortable shoes. Make sure your feet are static in them. Then, move them apart and strengthen your arms on both sides. Let's do 20 reps of this. It's better if you move in front of the mirror for this one, and you'll be able to keep a check on your movements. Okay, set, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How do you feel? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, almost there, 19, 20. Well done. Exercise 6, lunges. Stand up on the mat and move your feet apart. With your left leg, take one step forward. Hit the ground with your left heel first. Now slowly lower your body. Keep going till your left thigh is straight and parallel and your shin vertical to the ground. Try to keep your right knee off the ground a little. Now press your left heel into the mat and rise back up. Do this with your right leg. We're going to start with 15 reps, okay? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going, keep pushing. I know you can. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You did great. Exercise number 7, belly push-ups. Lie down on the back and raise your legs straight up. Keep both your arms on either side. Slowly raise your hips up and move them back. Let's do 20 reps, okay? Ensure your abs are tight the entire time. Let's get it over with. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can feel it in your muscles, right? That's right. You're doing it right. Keep going. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Phew. Done. Easy peasy, right? Let's begin with the third part of our workout plan that targets your arms and chest. Exercise 8, shoulder circles. For this exercise, you need some weights like dumbbells. Don't have them? No worries. Use any weights you have. Not heavy enough? That's alright. Stand up with your feet and move them apart. Take the weights you have in both hands and stretch them as far as you can. Now, start making small circular movements with your hands. Let's do 40 reps of this. Ready? 3, 2, 1, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice effort. Do it again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Work that chest. Yes, just like that. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And time's up. Keep it up. Keep going. On to the next one. Exercise number 9, punches. Don't look at me like that. I won't ask you to punch anyone or anything. Take those weights in your hand and start punching in the forward direction. Do this with your left arm first, then work your right arm. You don't have to be too aggressive, strong, or fast for this. Relax and take it slow. Don't forget to breathe in and out. We're going to do 40 reps of this, okay? Ready, set, and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't stop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One last time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did it. Fine job. Okay, exercise number 10, knee push-ups. Assume original position of the push-up. Keep your knees on the mat, put one leg on top of the other in such a way that it forms a cross. Don't forget to keep your back in a straight line. Now start by bending your body towards the ground, now move back up again. Breathe in and out correctly. As you lower yourself, inhale in, then as you move back, exhale out. Easy as pie. Let's do 20 times, okay? Can you do this? Yes, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hurrah, let's get it. Finally, last part of our plan. Let's get over it ASAP. Exercise number 11, lifting. Stand on the mat with both feet apart. Make sure your hands are placed on your hip. Start to lift your legs slowly. Move it forward, keep it forward. Raise it as high as you can. Push in your abs nice and tight. Make sure your legs are not too bent. Now put that leg back and do this again with the other leg. Let's do 10 reps for each leg. All clear? Okay then, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do it faster, quicker. Yes, burn that fat. Let's go. And repeat. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're done. Exercise number 12, mountain climbers. Assume the full plank position by supporting your body with your palms on the mat. Slowly move your right knee in towards your chest. Now assume original position. Do it again with your other leg. Let's do 20 reps for this. Fine? Take position and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just a little left. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, cheers. Exercise number 13, burpees. This is the most challenging part of our plan, but the benefit it offers are worth it, trust me. Assume the full plank position and shift your pose in such a way if you're about to jump from the top of the palms with your hands toward the floor. Now, jump right back up. Last shift to the full pose. Try to do this for as long as possible. For now, let's do 15 reps of this. Sounds good? Okay then. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you do this one more time? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're done. Great job. Can you feel the burn? I'm so proud of your progress. Do this workout every day to achieve your weight goal in no time. That's it. We're done. Keep me updated on whenever these exercises work for you or not. And if you know any other exercises that will turn your body, tell us in the comments down below. And don't forget to give this video a like and share it with your friends. And click that subscribe button to harness the power of simplicity.